Hope you're doing well. So I'm going to show you how I put fire onto my pictures using Photoshop. Right? Go into File, Place Embedded, and select your picture, right? And this is what you get. So what you need to do is you need to erase around the edges of this picture first, right? So click on the rubber tool, place it first, just say yes, go to your rubber tool, just say OK. Don't say there you need to rasterize it. So I've selected a larger brush size to erase it out, so just start erasing this around the edges. And so it looks nicer, that you won't get a square spot going across or anything. So I'll continue on with this. Hold on. So I've just used a soft brush there at 448. Doesn't really matter the size, just make it bigger than it was. And then you can place embed it. So you need a free transform. So go into Edit, Free Transform, and just move it to where you want it. Say we want it here, right? And we see, and then click the tick button, and then go into your part here. This is your, it says normaler, so we want to go into screen. Okay, so go into screen. See how it magically disappears? So this is how I added fire along the dragon's mouth. You can add your fire in. Then you can go into Image, Adjustments, and Curves I would use. And this brings up this panel. So what you can do is adjust you want to adjust the colour, maybe make it stronger, and you can fiddle around with this till you're happy. I'm just doing this roughly, and say OK, and there you have it. So that's how you add fire to your Photoshop drawings, painting. That's how I created the fire along the mouse here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you got something from that.